one tool in the problem identification stage, which is trends of engineering system evolution. In the concept substantiation stage, do you remember what all tools we mentioned? I mentioned to you them those tools to you. You have not touched them yet, but do you remember any one of you? So there are tools like super effect analysis and patent circumvention or patent analysis, which we can use, which we can look at in the next few lectures. Again, very briefly, not in too much detail, because I want you to focus on your projects. So we'll spend some time on the projects in every class, but those tools are there. Okay. So today we are going to look at trends of engineering system evolution. What do you remember? What are these trends about? What are these trends about? कोई तो बोलो. I'm waiting. I'm not moving to the next slide until someone answers. तुक्का ही मारोगे, लेकिन कुछ तो बोलोगे.
So I think I don't remember properly, but I think we talked about analyzing how the trend of certain thing is going on already in the market and might maybe applying it to our system. I don't properly remember, to be honest.
So we were looking at trends of engineering system evolution are basically trends how engineering systems have evolved across industries and across dimension. मतलब छोटा engineering system हो चाहे बड़ा engineering system हो, there are trends which engineering systems follow as they evolve over time. And if we know these trends, then what is the benefit that we can derive out of it? Suppose you know this is how this engineering system will develop over time. So what benefit can you derive out of this knowledge?
We can be prepared for that, or we can develop a product in alignment with that.
Suppose you know that your R&D will take about 1 year or 2 years. You know you are in this stage. This is how this technology would evolve. This is the way it has to evolve. This is the way it has been evolving. And you can already start to work on that so that you intercept the 2 years of R&D that you're going to do. After that, when the product comes out, it is not obsolete on the first day of entering into the market. You don't want that to happen, is it not? You want to remain relevant. That is one aspect. Second aspect is that when we talk of, let us say, minimum viable product in our entrepreneurship journey, this is where we are today. What should be our next step? Trends of system evolution can help us identify the next step. Another aspect is, suppose you want to protect some invention that you have. You can already anticipate how the system would evolve over time and already have such clauses that the patent claims are future proof. Or you could file 2 extra patents. You do not have a demonstration of them, but you simply file them because you know that this is how the technology would anyways evolve. So you have kind of protected your growth path. Otherwise, a new startup would come, they would protect the future one, and then you are gone. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
So trends of engineering system evolution are statistically proven directions of engineering system development. They describe the natural transition of engineering systems from one state to another. And these directions are statistically true for all categories of engineering systems. So what is the difference between statistically true and true?
So by statistically true, we mean that the truth we have estimated from various metrics, while truth is generally the ground truth, the reality, which we don't have any means of measuring, I think.
Yeah. So I cannot really estimate what the future would be like, is it not? So अगर वो पता ही होता तो मैं तो फिर जानी जान हो गया, मतलब मैं तो फिर भगवान बन गया, is it not? I do not really know the future, how the things would evolve. But by looking at how the things have evolved in the past, I am giving you a statistical, a confidence interval that, okay, 95% confidence, this is how the technology will develop. Now that is a 95% confidence. And even then, as you will look at the trends as they are listed, they do not really enumerate, they do not really tell the path of this evolution. They simply say this will happen. How it will happen, who will make this a reality, we do not know that. Somehow it will happen. How, we do not know. So that how is where our creativity lies. That how is where you and I would brainstorm, would ideate, would propose solutions, and then depending on which solution hits with the market, with the product, that solution will become the reality. Other solutions will die of a natural death. Many times you will see that many solutions would coexist. Many like an engineering system would coexist in multiple stages of evolution simultaneously because of market needs, because of customer requirements. We will discuss about that also. And statistically true also means कि this will happen. किस time frame में होगा वो भी नहीं पता है आपको. तो आप estimate कर सकते हो, but there is a confidence interval that we're talking about. We should not consider them as gospel truths. Is that okay? So this is a disclaimer. Before even introducing the subject to you, this is a disclaimer. You don't consider this to be gospel truths. Use these as directions for your ideation process.